Ibiza, all vlogs in one video. Hi guys, that's me, the new KI voice. Day 1. This day started at around 10 p.m. We started driving toward Berlin Airport, that early cause it's far away. We have arrived after a long time driving at the car park. After the shuttle gave us a ride, we are finally at Berlin Airport. There is our flight. And now, refilling the bottles. And here is an A320neo. Our gate is far away from the security check. Just bad luck. Look at that. There is our plane. This time, the A321neo. The sun is rising at this moment. But now, take off. My GoPro lost the video again. Like last time, sorry. That's at cruising altitude. This time I bought a model plane. Let's assemble it. We have started the descent to Ibiza. And there it is. We are approaching runway 06.
100, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20. Retard.
Butter. We got the luggage, and we will pick up our rental car. We got the VWT Cross. It's by the way 11 a.m., so we have 9 hours left on this day. Let's explore the island. That's a beautiful cliff. Now we are at a beach. This mountain here is really famous. That's another bay. We are going to see more on this trip. This bay is directly next to our hotel. Day 2. Breakfast starts at 8:30 a.m. Ibiza is a party island, so many people are sleeping. That's why it's so empty. We are heading to Ibiza city right now. Oh no, traffic jam. We first went to IBIZA castle. I didn't film cause I forgot my camera. You could see the planes pretty good. And this is the city. It's a city like all the other cities, so you don't necessarily have to see it. After seeing this, we went to a smaller city. I forgot the name of it. And then we went to St. Anthony to drink a coffee. I smelled the good sea air the first time on this trip here. This supermarket had normal prices, not like the others. Ibiza is a really touristic island, you can't. When driving out of the city, we saw this giant traffic jam. It was at least 4 kilometers long. Did you know that Ibiza is famous for its stunning sunsets? That's why we watch the sunset every day. Day 3. After having breakfast, we drove 50 minutes to the other coast of Ibiza. There is a popular hippie market. Let's see. The bad thing about this is the following. There are way too many people. Many of them are sick and prices are too high. Because we paid €5 for the parking spot, we explored the city. And now my favorite part of the day is approaching. We are driving to the north coast. It's getting steeper because that's a mountainous part of the island. It looks like I imagine Australia. Stunning. The water is so blue. There is the lighthouse. We hiked 25 minutes from the parking spot to it. And the view is still amazing. After 4 minutes of driving, we found this little city. And this evening we watched the sunset again. The spot was better than last time. Day 4. We drove to Cala de Hort. Today I want to hike. We plan to go to a tower. This is the tower. The hike was pretty fun, but I didn't film. It'll show you how the tower looks from the inside. There is a small window. And here is a tiny staircase. The view is still amazing. By the way, this is the way, and not just the nature around of us. It was worth it. We drove to Calamoli. This restaurant is pretty fancy. Look at that, but also expensive. The water here is so clear, but that's everywhere on Ibiza. We went to a rich little city. And because it's late, we have to hurry that we see the sunset the last time on Ibiza. By the way, just that you don't wonder why it's 8 p.m. We chilled the last 4 hours at the beach. Today we're watching the sunset at a viewpoint next to our hotel, because we have to stand up early tomorrow and don't want to drive back a long time. Day 5. It's 5 a.m. The hotel is really empty. Who wonders? We are heading to the K10 rent-a-car parking spot to return the car. Before that, we must refuel the car. Nobody drove us to the airport, so we have to walk. After giving the luggage away and going through the security check, I spotted planes. Now we can board the A321. That's me see today. I can finally see the engine. Let's taxi to runway 06. I'll stop the music so that we can hear the amazing sounds of the engines. Today the Mediterranean Sea isn't as cloudy as last time. So here we go. That's Corse, an island next to Italy. Let's descend to Berlin. That wasn't butter, but I enjoyed it though. We parked on the apron. Let's go! Okay, let's pick up the luggage. After waiting about 45 minutes for the luggage, we finally made it to the shuttle. Let's go home. Please subscribe my channel if not done. Thanks.